In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a clean business logo on Canva. We'll keep things simple, professional, and easy to follow so you can build a logo you're proud to use across your brand. Start by opening your web browser and heading to canva.com. Log into your Canva account so you can save your work as you go. On the home page, click Create, then choose Logo. This opens a square canvas that's perfect for most logo uses, from websites to social media. If you already have an icon or a sketch you want to include, go to the left sidebar and open the Uploads panel. Click Upload Files, pick the image from your device, and wait for it to appear in your library. Drag it onto the canvas and resize it using the corner handles to keep the proportions clean. Aim to center the mark and give it breathing room. White space is your friend in a clean, business-ready logo. If you're using an image, make sure you own the rights to it or created it yourself. Now add your business name. In the left toolbar, choose text and select Add a text box. Type your brand name, and if you have one, add a short tagline. With the text selected, use the toolbar at the top to refine the look. Choose a clear, professional font, adjust the size, and experiment with weight and letter spacing. Limiting yourself to one or two typefaces helps keep the design cohesive and easy to read at small sizes. You can also change text color here. Stick to a simple palette that reflects your brand and maintains strong contrast. To set the background, click on an empty area of the canvas to select it. At the top, open the color picker and choose a background color. For a clean, modern feel, try a solid neutral or a single brand color. If you plan to place the logo over different backgrounds later, it's smart to preview your design on both light and dark colors to check readability. If you prefer a head start with layout ideas, open the design panel and describe your ideal logo in the prompt field. Mention your business type, vibe, colors, and any keywords, then click Generate Design. Browse the options, select the one that fits, and it will load onto your canvas. From there, fine-tune fonts, colors, and placement like before. If it's not quite right, update your prompt and generate again to explore variations. Before you finish, use the alignment guides to center everything and zoom out to preview at smaller sizes. A clean business logo should stay legible and balanced even when it's tiny, and that's your streamlined process for creating a clean business logo in Canva.